students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Today's subject is English of Standard 3rd and the name of the poem is The Sugar Plum Tree. Students, this is an imaginary poem written by Eugene Field. The Sugar Plum Tree. This poem is on page number 25 of your English Balabharati textbook. You can see this. This poem has 8 lines and this poem is written by Eugene Field. Students, here we can see a lollipop sea, shut-eye town, etc. Here all things are imaginary. Come on students, let us enter the imaginary world created by Eugene Field. The Sugar Plum Tree. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It's a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Here the poet says that, have you ever heard about the sugar plum tree? It is a wonderful, amazing and famous. It blooms on the shore of Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. Here, Shut-Eye Town means in the dreams. The poet wants to say that such a sea or tree we can see only in a dream. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. Yes, here the poet says that the fruit the tree bears is very amazing and sweet. And we know this because many people have tasted it. They say that this fruit is amazing and sweet and only the good children they eat this fruit to be the happy next day. This is taken from the poem The Sugar Plum Tree written by Eugene Field. Students, this is all about the imaginary poem The Sugar Plum Tree. Now students, we will recite this poem. Okay? The Sugar Plum Tree. First you listen to the recitation.
Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It's a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of the fruit to be happy next day.
The poem Sugar Plum Tree is written by Eugene Field. You can see the picture of the poet Eugene Field. There are so many hard words in the poem. Okay, we will find out the meaning for hard words. The first one is, see this, here apostrophe T-I-S is written, right? This is on the second line. Now the meaning is it is. Okay. Next one is marvel. Here the meaning of this is a wonderful person or a wonderful thing. Renown. Renown means famous thing, or it is known to many as a good thing. Wondrously. The meaning of wondrously is wonderfully, amazingly. Okay. Next is shore. Seashore. You know, the land at the edge of the sea or lake. You can see this in the picture. The people, they are standing on the seashore, because here the land is at the edge of the sea, so it is called as seashore. Shut-eye tongue means in our dream. See, this girl is sleeping and she is dreaming. She is inside the shut-eye tongue. Got this, students? Write the names of the following from the poem. Number 1, here, dash tree, dash sea, dash town. Students, in the sugar plum tree, in this poem, we have gone through the different tree and the different sea and also the different type of town. Correct? We have to name them now. Which tree? Here we gone through sugar plum tree. And which type of sea? The sea is full of lollipops. Then town, that is shut-eye tongue. Everything is imaginary. Students, this poem has some rhyming words. Okay, first we will understand the meaning of rhyming words. Students, you can see here, make cake. Again I am reading make cake. Are they sound similar? Isn't it? Yes. The similar sounding words are called as rhyming words. Their spellings are different and their meanings also are differ. But they sound similar. Then we call the pair of words as rhyming pairs or rhyming words. Some more examples we will read now. Next one is zero, hero. Zero, hero. Sheet, feet. Sheet, feet. Change, range. Change, range. Yes, these pairs sound similar, isn't it? So these are called as rhyming pairs or rhyming words. Okay, now we will move to our poem and we will search for the rhyming pairs from that poem. Pick out rhyming words from the poem. Tree, sea. See, dear student, this is on the first line and on the third line. Tree, C. Renowned town. That is on the second line and fourth line. Renowned town. Sweet to eat. Say day. These four pairs we have picked from the poem. Students, we will study about rhyming words thoroughly. Okay. Now here match the rhyming words. You can see here rhyming words, correct, in column A and in column B. See, in the column A, I will read for you: back, cake, bank, jar, cat, gate. Okay. And in B column, rat, tank, sack, late, bake, far. Okay. Now we have to search for the rhyming pair in B column according to the column A words. Okay. First one, back. Yes. Which one is the rhyming pair for back? Correct. That is sack. Back, sack. Okay. Next one is cake, bake. Right. Cake, bake. Next, bank, tank. Isn't it? Bank, tank. Next, jar. Yes, you are right. Jar, far. Jar, far. Next one, cat. Yes, rat. Cat, rat. The last one is gate and the rhyming pair is late. Gate, late. Nice. Now we will move to one more activity. See this. Here so many rhyming words are there in the bubbles. We have to color the bubbles with rhyming pairs. Okay. For example, kite. First one is kite. Kite rhymes with, see the words, search for rhyming pair of kite. Yes, you are right. Kite, the rhyming pair is bite, isn't it? So we will color both these words with the same color. Okay. We will use same color for both these words. Kite, I have filled the blue color. Same here also for bite. For these ones means these two words rhyme with each other. Okay. Next one, cute, flute. Correct. Cute, flute. Next, bake. Yes, here cake is there. So bake, cake, isn't it? Next, seed. The rhyming word or the rhyming pair for seed is feed. See here, isn't it? Next one is boat, coat, isn't it? And the last two words, that is nice, rhymes with mice. Very good. Now we will move to the next. Here, write 3 to 4 lines about a real fruit tree that you like. Now we have gone through the sugar plum tree that was totally imaginary, isn't it? Here we will go through real fruit tree and we will write 3 to 4 lines on that tree. Okay, dear students, see this. See the picture. Can you guess which tree is this? Yes, you are right. This is a banana tree. Correct? Because I like banana tree, so I have written 3 to 4 sentences on this tree. We will read them. I like banana tree. Okay? Why I like this tree? Because it gives us banana. You can see there, so many bananas are there on the tree. We get this fruit throughout the year. Next, its leaves are broad and large, so we use them to have meal. We don't have to sow the seeds as new saplings grow from the mother root. This is all about the banana tree. Got this, students? Like this only, you have to write 3 to 4 sentences on the tree which you like. Okay, I will show you 2 to 3 trees of different fruits. Okay, which one you like, you try to write 3 to 4 sentences on that tree. See, this is a mango tree. If you like this tree, then try to write 3 to 4 sentences on this tree. Okay? Look carefully. The shape of the leaf, the size of the tree. Next one. See, this is a apple tree. If you like apple and if you like apple tree, write 3 to 4 sentences on this tree. Observe the tree carefully so that you can write easily. See, dear students, which fruits are they? They are oranges, right? So this is a orange tree. It is bearing so many fruits, isn't it? If you like oranges and if you like orange tree, then write 3 to 4 sentences on this tree. Students, here also circle the rhyming words. This is for you. You have to do this. I will not do this. I will show you only one example. Rest all you have to carry out. Okay? Here the words are given in the rectangles and after that 4 options are given. Can you see here? This is one word, fun, and here 4 options are given. Top, 10, hat, sun. Here 4 options are given and one option that matches with the rhyming word means fun. It makes the pair with this fun. Which one that is? Is that top or 10 or hat or sun? First one I will give you the answer, that is sun. Isn't it? Sun rhymes with fun. Like that you have to find out and you have to make the rhyming pairs. Okay, one word is given here. You have to select the proper one from these 4. Okay, you will do that, I know. Now students, we will again one time will recite the poem. The sugar plum tree. If you want to learn this, then you stop the video, again play the video, like that you can do. Okay.
Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It's a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shut-Eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of the fruit to be happy next day.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.